Hello everyone, it's Koneko here, and today's video is going to be a wig review video. Before I get into the video, if you are new here and you haven't already, please consider becoming a part of this magical and pastel online family by clicking the subscription button down below. So I ordered a wig online for my Kotori cosplay from shop Uwowo. I've done a lot of reviews for them before. They have never been sponsored by them. They've either been items that I've gotten for myself or that my husband purchased for me for gifts. So I have not taken this wig out of the bag yet. I just opened it to see what it was because it wasn't labeled at all, and it said costume, and I was like, is this a wig? Just because of like the shape and size, and usually costumes kind of come in a bigger bag or box. And I opened it and it was my Kotori wig, and I was so excited. It came with like their little typical card where you can scan it for like codes and whatnot and do little reviews for them for on their websites to get some discounts or little percentages off. And it came with a free wig cap as well, which is something I absolutely love about getting wigs from them. And it looks gorgeous so far. It looks absolutely gorgeous. So I'm gonna take it out of the bag for the first time on camera. So her little hair clip is here for the side pigtail. And here's the main part. So there's a little elastic tied here gathering her hair there. And then you can see her little like flippy thing that she has, if that makes sense. I'll insert a photo of the character to the other side of me here, so you can kind of see how her bangs and hair flip. But I usually have to trim wigs, it's usually standard, and it's better for them to make wigs that are a little bit long so that people can shape them and trim them to their face, since everybody has quite different shaped faces. So inside, great netting inside this wig cap. There is actually more to the reasoning behind getting Kotori's schoolgirl uniform, which I already received in the mail, and that was from Amazon. And for purchasing her wig, most cosplays I purchase because I just want to cosplay them. I might be wearing them to a con, and even though those two things are the case for this cosplay, I absolutely love this character. I actually just recently got into Love Live. I had never seen it before, and Lil Wolf XO on Instagram messaged me asking me if I wanted to join a Love Live cosplay / dance group. And I was like, I've actually never seen it before. And so she encouraged me to watch it, and I did, and right away I loved it. I was like, I really love Kotori. And she was like, each member in the group, which there's 9 of us now, each member picks a character from like Love Live, the first season, for Muse, and then an Aqua character as well. So I do have another wig and set coming in from a different shop for Rico. So Kotori and Rico are my 2 characters that I will be cosplaying and doing the dances for within this cosplay dance group. And we are Sunshine Start. We have an Instagram that has all of our like bio infos on it, with just showing the anime characters both the anime characters that each member in the group are. We are working on meeting within the new year to start practicing the dance routines, which will be up on our YouTube, which doesn't have anything on it yet. So if you are a Love Live fan or just want to check out this group that I'm in, please follow, like, share. I'll leave links to that group, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, in the description box below. But back to the wig. So this wig is super soft. It feels like absolutely great quality. Most of the wigs that I have received from them have been amazing. They did a really nice job where they had to attach some extra hair here for this little flip. Like, they did a really nice job of smoothing it out. It's not perfect, but it is really hard to get this area here, and like, I don't think you could tell when I have it on. So I'm actually going to try the wig on and see how it fits and see kind of like the first look of it without having it trimmed or anything at all. So here is the wig on, just with the outfit that I am currently wearing. The bangs do need a trim, but they are already quite straight, so I can just trim it a little bit more so you get that kind of straight cut that Kotori has. And I don't know if I clipped this little thing in perfectly, but I just kind of wanted to show what this wig looked like on. So far, I absolutely love the color, and I think it does suit me well. And I'm wondering if this is cute like this, or if it should be, or maybe this should be up a bit more maybe, or down a bit more. I'll definitely be playing around with it, especially after I trim the bangs how they're supposed to be, and look at some pictures online of Kotori and her hairstyle. Also, if you have really long hair like I do, where like mine's almost down to my butt, and you're concerned about like wigs fitting over all of that hair. One, I've mentioned in a video before of long hair plus wigs kind of thing and how I deal with that. So as you saw, my hair was straightened quite a bit, so that helps. But also the wigs from this shop have a lot of stretch and have really nice quality netting in my opinion. So pulling it over, if there's a bit of a bump in the back, it fits quite nicely, and you can play around with that, like if you think the bump still is too noticeable. But I think these stretch really nicely over kind of bulky hair. Now that I have the wig, I can do a cos test of Kotori, and I am going to end this video here. Please make sure to follow me on my cosplay Instagram if you want to keep up to date with my latest cos tests and cosplays at Koneko Cosplays, and I always leave that link below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up so that I know that you liked this video, and I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!